Traveling internationally is exciting, but packing the right gear can make or break your trip. In this video, I'll share the top 10 must-have travel essentials that every traveler should carry, whether you're exploring Europe, Asia, or just backpacking across the globe. And these travel gadgets and accessories will keep you organized, safe, and stress-free. So let's dive in. First up, an international power adapter. Different countries use different plug types, and the last thing you want is a dead phone. A universal travel adapter like this with USB-C ports means you can charge your devices anywhere in the world. It's light, compact, and has all the adapters for different countries. The next one is a multi-charging cable. Instead of carrying all different chargers and cables, all you need is this. It has USB-C, Lightning, micro USB connectors, and it also has a data transfer Lightning cable that you can transfer your photos and videos from your phone to your laptop. Next is a portable Bluetooth speaker. It's perfect for the hotel rooms, your beach days, or a picnic in the park, and we use this almost every day in Osaka. Next one is a eSIM compatible phone. Having this is a game changer for international travel. Instead of buying physical SIM card everywhere you go, just connect to local data plans with the eSIM, and once you land in the country, your phone gets turned on, the data is already there. It saves time and also avoids expensive roaming fees. Next is a packable backpack or a folding bag. So this little backpack, once you fold it up, it fits into the palm of my hand. Open it, it's actually quite big. You can put sweatshirts in there, and you can put snacks, water bottles. It's lightweight, easy to pack. It's perfect for your day trip or for a hike. And another thing that we love is this foldable bag that we use for grocery shopping. This saves on plastic. And also, some places don't just give you a plastic bag. You either have to pay for it or they just simply don't have one. So this bag is perfect for going shopping. When you're done with it, you can roll it back up into this little pouch and you can clip that onto either your backpack or your purse. The next thing, they are Ziploc bags. Bring a variety sizes of Ziploc bags. You just never know when you will need one. We have some gallon bags and also these sandwich size bags. We have kept snacks in them, toiletries that we're afraid that's going to leak. You can also use them to protect your electronics. Another bag related item is this RFID blocking travel pouch. I also have an RFID blocking wallet. These are super useful. It prevents electronic pickpocketing and it keeps your valuables safe while you're on the move. The last bag-related item is the packing cubes. And I know there's a lot of controversy around packing cubes. Some people love it, some people hate it. But to me, I think it's essential. I love my packing cubes. I use it every single day. It doesn't matter if I'm staying at a place for a month or for a week. I keep everything in my packing cubes. It makes unpacking and packing very easy. The next thing are these mini carabiner clips. We use these to turn our everyday bag into an anti-theft bag. We clip the zippers together like this, so it makes it harder for thieves to open up our bag. Is this 100% thief-proof? No, but it would be a big deterrent. When they see this, they're not going to mess with your bag and they're going to move on to something else. So these are tiny, but they're super handy. And last but not least is our first aid kit. Ours has Imodium, charcoal pills, Tylenol, and acid. It's essential for food poisoning, for headaches, for unexpected stomach issues. And trust me, you will be glad that you have it. These are our 10 must-have travel essentials for international trips. Which one is your go-to? Did I miss any of your favorite travel gadgets? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and safe travels wherever you're headed.